Welcome back
to those two car guys. That's pretty much in sync. But we have to work on our harmonies.
Right, what am I doing? Why isn't it going anywhere?
Have you put it in drive?
Is it on?
Hey! Hey! There's always one.
You can tell this is electric, can't you?
Oh. You're about to run him down, you're about to run him down.
Where's the horn?
There we go. Horn works.
Right, so this is the first ever time those two car guys have been to SMMT.
Yes, together.
Yeah, officially, because we always hear unofficially. Well, it's very echoey in here.
It is.
Echo. Right, so I am not a EV lover. Like, I'm
not?
the very opposite. Yeah, have I made that clear? But despite this being under 1.5 meters wide, there's actually loads of space.
It is a bit of a TARDIS. It's quite impressive. And what's really good, you got a hook here. You can hang up bags, and you've got a little slot to put a suitcase in.
Oh, oh my god!
Yeah, so if you do an airport run, put your suitcase in there.
You've got to make it to the airport. That'll be a challenge, isn't it?
Yeah.
How did you miss your flight, Mr. Antonio? Miami ran out of battery.
Yeah.
How long ago? 10 miles ago?
I walked the rest.
Right, so yes, as you know, this is the Citroen Ami. And the fun fact is, it isn't the car. Do you know what it is?
A quadricycle.
Yes.
Like a G-Whiz.
Right.
No, genuinely, like a G-Whiz.
It's just full throttle.
It's like a golf cart.
Do you know what? This actually make a good golf caddy car, wouldn't it?
It would, wouldn't it?
Oh.
Chris, you've got to stop. You left my golf clubs.
Yeah. Now, I'm going to be honest, I don't really know too much about this car. All I know is it's got a motor the size of my hairdryer. I think it's 5.5 kilowatt per hour.
I think you're right there.
And
we'll have to put subtitles.
The range is very non-existent. I think it's like 30 miles.
Yeah, I was going to say I think it's about 25, 30.
Yeah, we can't.
I mean,
Yeah, we're going to go up the hill. If you don't know, there's lots of routes at this event, and the hill is where lots of fast cars go.
Yeah.
We've been doing that pretty much all day. Right, we've got to stop.
There's loads of traffic.
Yeah. One thing about this car is, well, not a car. It's not a car. It's an object. Well, I'll call it an object because it isn't a car.
Appliance.
Yeah. The thing is about this is that it's got lots of visibility. It's great.
Yeah.
One thing we should try is that we could drive this in reverse because the front, rear, the sides are all symmetrical.
So these doors are interchangeable. So if we really wanted to, we could put this door and swap it with that door. Because one of these doors is a suicide door, isn't it? Is it my door or your door?
Yeah, it's a Lamborghini at heart.
Yeah. I can't remember how you open the doors. Hang on. I have driven one of these, albeit a long time ago. Is it that?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh no.
We'll get to that one when we get to it.
We're locked in.
Citroen has us. But yes, I love Citroen, and I think this
is so quirky.
They've come back to how they used to make cars. Like, it's silly. The thing is just silly. Every single thing about it is silly, and I love it.
Yeah.
Even though it does like 20 mile an hour top speed. Like
you can actually look. You can see the UJ on the. No, you genuinely can. You can see the UJ on the.
Oh yeah, you can.
On the steering column. That's brilliant.
Look, we could just go like this. It feels like I'm driving a bus, but I'm not. I'm driving something that I can put in my pocket. It's brilliant. The steering wheel's so big. It's probably the biggest thing in here. This is brilliant.
Yeah, do you see the bottom of the steering column working? Is it
now,
exposed?
Because the Ami isn't a car, it's a quadricycle, you can actually drive this from 16 years old in the UK. You just need your provisional licence.
Believe it or not, I think in France, I think it might be as low as 13.
As soon as you're born, you can drive one of these in France, probably. This is brilliant. Thanks to this fixed roof, I'm already feeling a little bit toasty. It's very hot in here. Man's not hot.
I still need to work out how to open these doors because that's generally. I'm sure it was these pull tabs. It's not that. How do you open the door?
Now you're probably thinking, where do we buy one of these? Well, you can buy one, of course, from Citroen, and prices start roughly around £7,600.
Well, this is tight.
It is literally like I'm driving a boat. Like the steering wheel is so big.
Oh, blimey. Oh, I found it. Hang on.
Oh, we got to stop. It's got a... little bit of...
Right, so you've got the suicide door.
Hey. It's like your MX-5, you have to slam it to make sure it's closed.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, look, do you know what that reminds you of?
2CV.
2CV,
Yeah.
well done, but brownie points. So when an officer pulls you over for speeding, unlikely in this, you go, hello officer, whack!
Yeah, it's great for drive-throughs as well. Yeah, give me my McDonald's.
Yeah.
This is brilliant. I'm having so much fun in an object that I could run faster in. Should we try that?
Yeah, go on then, jump out.
Right, full throttle.
It's bending my face. I'm gonna get a facelift.
Look, I can't even use the brake pedal properly because my foot's so big in these shoes. Look. I'm like up here. Look.
Hang on.
The brake pedal's here, but because of how I'm driving, it's... Right.
Yeah, that's the bit where you can put your suitcase, and look, you've got a nice little hook. And if you really want to, you've got Lego to play with. and you got a cup holder, which is... How far away is that? You've got to have arms like Mr. Tickle to reach that.
Yeah, you got things to put your well.
He's broken it. No, Chris.
Alright, let's go around again, and I'll stop so you can have a go. This is brilliant.
So in case you don't follow my channel, which is unlikely, I drove one of these in Coventry.
You're a brave man. I'm surprised you made it out alive.
Yeah. About, I think it must be almost 2 years ago.
And that's
now.
before driving the car, by the way.
Yeah. That breeze is refreshing.
The sound of it feels like I'm in like a race car, like a GT3 car. Like it feels very visceral in here, but it doesn't go anywhere. Let's see how it goes.
What the gravel?
No, I'm not going for
The man's possessed. The power of Christ compels me. The power of Christ compels me.
I saw that sharp left-hander and I was like, no, I'm definitely not making that. We're a maniac. Where are you going? Right, let's test this. Let's test the ride in here. It is a bit bumpy in here, I have to admit.
I'm surprised you didn't bottom out because the wheelbase is so short. I thought you were a brave man for attempting that. Brave or stupid? Comment below. I mean, if this doesn't put a smile on your face...
Mate, I haven't stopped smiling since the beginning of the
There's
video.
something seriously wrong in your life that you need to address immediately.
I've been manifesting driving this all week.
Oh,
whoa.
Hello. It's all that gravel you kicked up earlier. Going through blooming aggregate. I've got to stop. Old lady was waiting to cross. Did you not see Doris?
Nah.
With a little terrier.
I'm too busy having fun. That's the excuse when you drive an Ami. You're the only one on the road. Well, you would be.
Yeah, because you're holding everyone else up behind you.
Or your battery's dead and you're left behind, so you are on your own. Right, it's your go. We're going to stop over here. This is brilliant.
From memory, isn't the top speed, I think, high 30s or something?
Should we take this on the higher bowl? On the bowl?
Imagine taking this on the M25. I mean, legally, could you? Right, hang on. Get the door.
Yeah, you go on the bowl. You couldn't even stay in the first lane because that's 40 miles an hour.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
So, it should be to your left. No, to your left.
What, open the door?
Where's your one then? Oh, sorry mate, you can't get out. No, joking aside, how do you get out then?
Well, you have to do this.
Oh, you know, it's there. It's there, I found it.
Ah. It's like a GT3 we're in.
Yeah.
All these pull straps. Hey. Check me and my suicide door. Rolls Royce, eat your heart out. Oh.
Dignified.
Let's try and get into this as dignified as possible. I have to admit,
14-inch alloys this has.
whoever came up with the design of this needs a big round of applause because
it is genuinely
it's
genius.
so outlandish that, like, how do you?
Oh, hang on a minute.
How does someone come up with this idea? Like,
Drugs. I mean, how else?
Much red wine, probably.
A lot of LSD. Right, so drive.
Away we go.
Oh, wow.
It feels even weirder in the passenger seat. Because I'm sort of set back. I feel like I'm set back further back towards you, so I'm just like on your shoulder. Oh my god, it feels even more boat-like as well.
The road's getting squiggly.
And of course, if you didn't know, they also have a buggy version of this and a cargo version. So the cargo removes the passenger seat and it turns it into basically a Deliveroo car.
Yeah.
So you can, well, no, Deliveroo object. Sorry, it's not a car. So,
And I'm not getting a phone call.
oh, well, someone's put in their KFC order.
Yeah, exactly. So I thought my phone was going then.
Yeah, so the cargo one is obviously for like delivery drivers, so people that work in like urban areas that don't do many miles. It's perfect. And then you've got the buggy version, which is completely even more ludicrous than this version, and it has no doors. It has basically little bits of scaffolding as doors.
Exactly.
Which, in a crash, even I'd be surprised if someone's actually crashed one of these because you can't go fast enough. Stop. You're all good, mate. Oh, this thing is comical. You could literally turn up to the airport, drive into security with this, and then use this to drive to the actual plane, and you'd blend in, wouldn't you? Just put Ryanair on the side of it.
No one would bat an eyelid.
It just feels like there's an understeer into the film.
Yeah.
And now you have to hold the steering wheel as well because it's so big.
Yeah. Power. Go on, let's do the bump again.
Oh no. What did you say the tyres were? 14 inches?
Yeah. I mean, I'm surprised they're that big on a car like this. No, not car, quadricycle.
Have you seen how this roof's put together? It's like bits of like metal pole.
I mean, I'm surprised they don't sell it as a kit. You can flat pack it. You can get this from IKEA. But it is really clever how it's all interchangeable.
Yeah, it definitely is. Keeps obviously Citroen has said they've done that obviously on purpose, which
To save costs.
yeah.
And this thing is as light as anything. Let's go this way.
Yeah, it weighs 480 kilograms, roughly around that. So it is light. We could almost pick it up.
Well, you probably could. It's not that far off what a Caterham weighs.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's mental, isn't it? Imagine how much lighter it would be without the electric motor, the battery.
Yeah.
Super leggera.
Coming soon.
Yeah. It's just a Flintstones one, you have to pedal like that. I mean, you could kind of make this into a Flintstones car.
Go around again, and I've definitely got to get out and run next to it, see if you can beat me, or see if I can beat you.
Right, I'll tell you what. We've got a little drag strip here.
All right. I'm doing this so you don't have to. All right. Is it here? Where? Oh, it's here.
Yeah, it's there.
God. All right.
Right. On your marks. Get set. Go. Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh. All right. I'm never doing that again.
Yeah.
I am wearing Air Force One, so it didn't help. Excuses coming in. There we go. Oh, I beat you at the start.
You did, yeah.
Oh. God,
Right there.
my heartbeat's going up.
Yeah.
130.
I think I could
I
spend.
generally want one of these.
Yeah, I could spend all day in this, but we do. I have to go there.
Sorry, it's his first time driving today. Just got his licence.
I haven't got my licence yet, it's in the post.
It's a bit big for you. Something smaller.
Have a good day, my friends.
Thanks, mate.
As much as we could genuinely spend all day in this just having banter.
Genuinely. Well, we couldn't because we'd be spending most of our day charging it as opposed to being in it.
Well, yeah, we've got 17 miles of range left.
Unlucky! That's why I love this event, because you do get to drive electric cars begrudgingly, but when you do, you don't have to worry about charging.
No.
You're just like, run away!
Yeah. I love the fact it's got a turn key.
Yeah.
Not ignition, because obviously there's nothing to
Missed
ignite.
a trick there. They could have made it. How do you even lock this thing? It's got a very barbarian lock.
I mean, when you've got windows like this, I don't think security is going to be at the forefront of your mind.
Yeah, very true. I do like this. Oh look, you can put them all the way up. He's seen these mirrors as well.
Yeah. It's like they've been nicked up a classic Mini or something.
I love how there's no rear in here, because you could just literally do that and go.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh look, have you seen the washer fluid things here?
Yeah.
And the battery.
Yeah.
The batteries.
B8 to res. Batteries.
And despite there being nothing of the seats, they're actually pretty comfortable.
They are quite comfortable.
It's like sitting in a tillet.
Yes, it is. Yes. Albeit, I doubt these are quite as valuable as those.
Very plastic.
Yeah.
I generally want one. Citroen, hold out your hand!
Get one as a work vehicle.
I wouldn't make it to work, mate. Sorry, I'm late every day. Why are you late? Oh,
Ran out of charge again.
I had to go an hour out of my way because I couldn't go on the dual carriageway.
Yeah.
Mate, it's so cool.
Brilliant.
But anyway, we are coming to the end of our Ami experience,
Yes.
and I have to say I've loved it. Obviously, you've experienced it before,
Yeah.
but I think this has probably been a bit more of an experience. Ahoy, hoy! But yes, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's a bit different to our usual challenge videos. We're just being menaces. Don't ignore us. And yeah, we.
Oh, hang on.
I saw this on the list for SMMT, and I was like, we've got to not only drive it, but we've got to do it for this channel, and I'm glad we have. So yeah, make sure you
down there?
like, subscribe, comment. Tell us what you think of the Ami. Would you have one? I know it's a very gimmicky car, and
Get to drive. There we go. It's a bit
he's
slow.
definitely got his license to that.
It's a bit slow to change between gears.
And yeah, tell us what you think of the Ami. Would you have one? I certainly would. And I'm pretty sure Citroen do
They're
some
quirky little things, aren't they?
interesting finance deals as well. So it's like
Reverse.
definitely makes you more tempted. But yeah, until next time. We are planning to do some more challenge videos. We've got some in the pipeline. It's just getting the money and finances, all that stuff together. But until then, you watch us two roll around in an Ami like ballers. Yeah.
I mean, if this isn't how life should be, then I'm not interested.
Yeah, that's it. Life's complete now, mate.
Yeah,
Ticked off.
done.
We're signing off.
Yeah.
But yeah, subscribe, Car Obsession, Pocket Rockets, and of course,
ThoseTwoCarGuys.
Goodbye. Whoa. Oh, this actually definitely suits me.
Right, I'm going to put a deposit down. I'm selling the MX-5.
Do you think if we could actually just go halves on it, it would cost nothing?